Having a potato in your car could save your life. Today, I will show you an incredible potato trick that I'm sure you didn't know. Once you know this, you will thank me a lot. For this trick to work, the first thing you have to do is wrap the potato in this way, using an adhesive tape. Take a knife and cut right in half. For this trick, we will only need half. Then take a towel or rag and clean the rear windshield of the car very well. Next, you will see what we will do to protect the windshield while you are driving on the street. Now what you have to do is take a little of the adhesive tape that we used previously and place it in this way, right in the middle to divide the windshield into 2 equal parts. This division is very important. Now, with the same potato that you had cut, you grab and rub it on one of the sides of the windshield, just as I show you on the screen. When passing the potato, you will notice that the windshield will turn white and sticky, but you should not leave it like that. Instead, use a towel and pass it simultaneously while rubbing, as I am showing you. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me to send you a greeting at the end of the videos. Obviously, you will be a little stained, but do not worry, because the important thing about this trick is that it will help you when there is a heavy rain. We stop rubbing, and now I will reveal the trick. I left the left side intact and without rubbing the potato, so you can see how this works. Here I have a hose that I will use to simulate as if it were rain. We spray water on the left side of the windshield, where we do not rub the potato, and look how little drops remain. These get in the way a lot when it rains, specifically at night when you can't see anything. When you pour more water, you can notice that many drops remain. Imagine that it starts to rain hard. This happens to all of us and it bothers us. You spray the windshield on the right side and look at nothing else as it is. On the left side, you can see the drops, and on the right side, you can't. The difference is noticeable. This trick works wonderfully. Now you will know what to do to protect yourself on rainy days. Today's greeting is for Teresa Vargas from the United States and for Beatrice Acanti from Argentina. Thanks for watching our videos. I say goodbye, wishing you rich blessings. Until next time.